Hello, everyone. We are a part of the General Studies Support Team, and we are located in the Learning Commons.
You can find the Learning Commons on the second floor of the Student Success Building. Come on in.
So here we are in the Learning Commons, where you can drop in for academic support, or you can schedule a meeting for one-on-one support. My name is Aaron Murphy-Lopez, and I support communications courses, including speech, English Composition 1, public speaking, oral interpersonal communications, and technical reporting.
I'm Nancy Nelson, and I support social sciences courses, including Intro to Psychology, other psychology courses, sociology, government, ethics, and more. We are all part of a bigger team of instructors and tutors that can help support you in your classes.
And my name is Carrie Gurkowski. I am the full-time supervisor of the Writing Center here in the Learning Commons. If you are not able to come in for in-person help, we have many different ways that you can access help online. You can find links to access online support in the Blackboard page for any class you are enrolled in. Once you've opened the class, simply click on the Learning Commons link from the menu on the left-hand side of the page. This will take you to our Learning Commons landing page. Links for the Writing Center can be found in the first column in orange. If you're looking for feedback on any type of writing, you can submit a document to the online Writing Center. You will be required to log in using your Western credentials, as this service is reserved for Western students. Once you have logged in, the form provides some important details about the process and the timeline that you can expect for feedback. As you scroll down the page, you'll see boxes where you can fill in your information. Please do fill in each box. In particular, make sure to provide us with some details about the assignment instructions and a rubric if you have one. And don't forget to attach the document that you want us to review. As you follow down the page, you'll want to click each box that makes sure that you have provided all the information, and let us know if you have previously submitted a draft of the document. Finally, you can decide which aspect of feedback you would like us to put our primary focus on. You can also add any other specific comments or questions you'd like us to consider. At the bottom of the page, you'll click the red Submit Your Writing for Feedback button, and within 1 to 3 days, you will have a document returned to you in which we have inserted comments that include suggestions and hints and ideas for ways that you might wish to revise your writing. Be sure to check both your focus and your other email folders for our feedback. And if you haven't heard from us within 3 days, please do reach out to us. If you are looking for in-person help but can't come to campus, our Writing Center Zoom room is a great option. You can visit our Writing Center Zoom room during any of our open hours by clicking on the link on the Learning Commons landing page. When you click on that link, you will arrive in our Writing Center waiting room. Our Zoom hours are Monday through Thursday, 5 to 8 p.m., and Sunday from 4 to 8 p.m. When you enter the meeting during those hours, within 10 to 20 seconds, our online tutor will admit you to the Zoom. And just like with our Learning Commons in-person support, our Zoom room is drop-in. There is no appointment needed. If you have any other questions about the Writing Center, you can click the About the Writing Center link, where you can find all kinds of other specific information and suggestions, as well as a link to email me, or at the bottom of the page, there is a link to email the Writing Center. Finally, if you want to see the full daily schedule for in-person supports in the Learning Commons, you can find the link for that under General Questions and Inquiries on the Learning Commons landing page. These hours are updated daily, so you can always know accurately what time each type of support is available.
Please do not hesitate to contact us, and we hope to see you soon.